Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I've got a unique opening. I didn't expect to ever find any of this in the wild, but I actually stopped into my local GameStop and they had a single box of the All-Star Game product. I know that Walmart and Target had it for sale, but I didn't buy any when it became available, but as I say, when I saw it at GameStop, I said, what the heck, I'll grab the box. And because of being, having the membership or whatever with GameStop, I was actually able to pick this up for like $37, I think it was. So yeah, so let's get into it. I know the base cards all have the print of All-Star Game, kind of like the logo fractor, but with no foiling on the base. There's only, 4 packs. So it's going to be a quick rip. And of course, just like we have on most of the mega boxes these days, you got the styrofoam on top of the packs. So, come on. It's not being very friendly, sliding out. There's our 4 packs. And, yep, nothing there but a hole. But yeah, you can expect to get autographs, the All-Star Game Greats, Classic Swings, Homegrown Heroes, All-Star Game Great Autograph Relics, and then of course you've got the All-Star Greats, Homegrown Heroes, and Classic Swings are the inserts. I say I don't think there was anything on the side. So, it'll be a quick rip. Take longer to talk about it than it does to actually rip it. So there's your base card design, and I'm sure if you've seen any breaks of this, you've already seen this. We got a Wyatt Langford, Willie Adames, Corbin Burns, of course, D-backs. I think actually he got Tommy John surgery, so he's out. Aaron Judge, Michael McCreevy, rookie for the... Oh gosh, yeah, I guess it does. That is some tiny numbering. There's our first rookie. You got a Trout, Hunter Green, Riley Green, Christian Yelich, Andrew McCutchen, a Dylan Cruz rookie, Tatis, Matt Shaw rookie, Sandy Alcantara with the foil board, an All-Star Game great, Tim Raines, Mr. Rock Raines, Trout, our little Classic Swings, Pujols, Homegrown Hero, Drake Baldwin rookie for the Braves, another Classic Swing of Shohei Ohtani, and a Spencer Strider Homegrown Hero. So we got 2 Homegrown Heroes, 1 foil board, a couple All-Star Game Greats, and we'll sleeve up the foil board. I don't know if you can say it's guaranteed or not, but I want to say that I've seen, on average, at least 1 numbered card per mega box. Doesn't mean I will get it, though. Knowing my luck, I will not. Christian Campbell, rookie for the Red Sox. Clayton Kershaw. Justin Henry Malloy, rookie for the Tigers. Rhett Lauder, rookie for the Reds. Devers. Jacob Wilson. Shea Whitcomb. Mason Wynn, Churio, Trey Turner, Schwellenbach, rookie for the Braves, Dansby, Ryan Bliss, rookie for the Mariners. And we have a Paul Skeens. Oh, we got a nice Willie Mays All-Star great. Vlad Jr. Looks like from the Home Run Derby. Evan Longoria on the classic swing. Homegrown hero of Rafael Furcal. Another homegrown or classic swing Griffey. And then our Tom Glavine is our second homegrown hero. And we'll sleeve up Skeens. Halfway through. Bo Bichette. Caden Dana, rookie. Chase Dollander, rookie. Morrell, Freeman, Tarek Skubal. Noel, rookie, even though he's not a rookie. For the Guardians, Jackson Holiday, Zach Nato, Randy Arozarena, James Wood, rookie, Ozzie Albies, Hee-Sung Kim for the Dodgers. Then you got a Jacob deGrom, foil board, Torrey Hunter for the Twins, Pudge Rodriguez, Ivan Rodriguez for the Rangers, Will Clark, classic swing, Matt Olson, homegrown hero, and the classic swing of Tatis Jr., and then a Schwellenbach. So, yeah, down to our last pack and last chance for a numbered insert, or an autograph, or a relic, or an autograph relic. Does feel a little bit thicker, but I don't see a relic. Kyle Tucker, Cubs. Jackson Jobe, rookie for the Tigers. Rocky Sasaki, rookie for the Dodgers. Zach Wheeler, Carlos Correa, Justin Verlander, Drew Romo on the Rockies, Klaus, Matt Olson, Adrian Del Castillo for the D-backs, Young-Ho Lee, Corey Seager, Shota, who pretty much shut down the Red Sox yesterday. Oh, there's our numbered card. Corey Seager, blue, 113 of 150. Bryce Harper, Griffey, MVP. Joe Mauer for the Twins. Hank Aaron on a homegrown hero. Another classic swing of Derek Lee for the Cubs. And our final homegrown hero is going to be Ronald Acuna, who Friday night threw a laser shot to double up. I can't remember who they were playing, but picked off the runner trying to go to third. So yeah, we did get one numbered card, so it does appear that that is a somewhat of a guarantee. So I'm going to take and sort out the foily foil. Okay, so we'll do a quick recap. So for the foil boards, you got the Sandy Alcantara, the Paul Skeens, and the Jacob deGrom. So all pitchers. It's kind of funny. For the All-Star greats, we got the Bryce Harper, Ken Griffey Jr., Torrey Hunter, Ivan Rodriguez, Willie Mays, Vlad Guerrero Jr., Tim Raines, and Mike Trout. And then the one numbered card of the whole box was the Corey Seager for the Texas Rangers, blue foil board, 113 of 150. But yeah, the numbering, it is microscopic. So I don't know why they did that. Made it so small. Anyway, that concludes this break of a single, I guess I call it a mega box, of 2025 MLB All-Star Game Baseball. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.